Hi guys, this is Dira Saha. Welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my project is for garden lovers. I just thought to break down the monotony. So I thought to bring one project for our garden. Not only for garden, it will help to decorate our home also. Today my theme is miniature garden or fairy garden. Nowadays there is a high trend of this garden. So let's start. For this, you need some indoor plant. I advise you not to keep any flowering plant because flowering plant need a lot of sunlight. So it's better you keep indoor plant like aloe vera, some snake plant which does not require much water because when you water the plant, all the items might get spoiled. Just we'll keep one here and this one also. This is a snake plant breed. For this fairy garden, one of the most requirement is fence. This is a mini fence. You can make it with the help of stick, bamboo stick, like this. I'm just going. I'm just showing you demonstration. Just keep this one. This is a stick. If you have a hot glue gun, you can stick with that also. Or if you have a thread like this, you just tie it with it. In fairy garden, you have to bring this fence. Make this fence. We will keep it here. Now we are going to make one hut. For this you need a cardboard like this type of cardboard you will need. You just take out this portion, you will get this portion type. Now we are going to cut. You just take this shape and we are going to cut in this way, like this. Here also same. After this you need some ice cream stick. Okay, take two. We are going to paste it. First use paste ice cream stick. Here you have to apply all glue. Okay. And here we are going to paste it. Like this. Let it dry. Okay. Later on we have to color this hut. Another DIY of this for this fairy garden, you need this diya. I think you all have this diya, this type of diya. Just before Diwali was over, you just have to color this one, okay, with arsenic paint. Then after this, you just take a tip of a brush or any with the help of board or any stick you can use. We are going to make a polka dot, small polka dot. This is our mushroom. mushrooms. I think you all have this type of stick raw masala. Just now Diwali was over. You just pull this portion, okay, yellow portion, and just cut it out. Just cut it out. Turn the opposite. We are going to apply some gum. Yeah. This one we will stick. Keep it here for some time. We are going to color the heart. First, you just do like this, okay? Draw one straight line here, like this. Here also. Now we will color in between. For another DIY project, you need this type of plate. If you don't have this type of plate, you can use this type of also any cover, masala cover, small bottle cover you can use. This one you have to color sky blue, okay? We are going to make some little pond here. This one we will keep it here, just dig little bit. Dig little bit water, later on we will put water. You can put colorful stones also, or if you have natural stones will look better here. Put some now the DIY hall just now we have made, we are going to keep it here, okay? Keep here. Now we will put some colorful stones. If you don't have colorful stones, go to my playlist. I have already done one video on how to make colorful stones at home. You just watch it and follow it. We are going to make a row here from heart. You can see here also I took this one bamboo stick. Here I have put green color just to give greenery effect. We are going to use this fence here on the side of the road. Place it properly. make two mushrooms. So keep it here. Here I have this dog, a cat. I'm going to keep it inside just below the heart. This one, and I have this one chair also. I have this one also. This is my daughter's toy. If you have Chota Bee, Mickey Mouse, whatever you have, you can put, keep. And the last, finally, the reservoir which we make, we will put some water here.